the podcast for the questions you only think about when the lights go out.
And for the things you can't ask your mom.
Let's talk about everything sexual health and wellness and everything in between.
No censors, no cuffs, no blindfolds.
The science for your most intimate moments.
Hit it?
Missed it?
Let's talk about it.
This is the D-Spot. What's up, everybody? So this is the first episode of the D-Spot. I am Dr. Dino, and
I'm Louis Fondo.
so our guests today are Mama Thighs and Bam Terol, because our first topic is going to be about the transgender experience in the Philippines. Medyo what we want to talk about today is where are we now and where were we back then? Like, saan ba, like, what was it like
Right.
before? So, maybe yung mga first questions natin is, do you want to talk about like what it was like for you? Because, diba?
I was like,
Ngayon, like there's,
Sa simula.
like medyo madali na for the Gen Z eh. Like as a gender affirming care doctor, all the terms alam nila. Pero back then, what was it like?
So parang origin story.
Origin
na.
story, yeah.
Okay, well, I'll start.
Yeah,
So,
of course.
hi everybody. My name is Thais Estrada. I'm a proud transgender woman. And my origin story was something I always chika because it started when I was very, very young. So, you know how it is when you're trans or you're of gender non-conforming experience, no? You experience some sort of an identity challenge. I don't want to call it a crisis kasi hindi pa natin alam usually na crisis siya, no? But your experience of your own gender gets challenged. So this happened a lot earlier for me. I was about 4 or 5 years old. I was in kindergarten. And then yung mommy ko approached my yaya and said, may costume party si Thais the next day sa school. So, alam ito ni
The
Pa.
costume.
Costume party.
Ito na.
So, I was a kid. Imagine, tapos sinabi na like, prepare a costume. I'm gonna be out for official business. Pero, yaya, ikaw nang bahala kay Thais, no? And then, I was like, oh, I'm so excited. Costumes? Like, just my thing. I love dressing up. And then, for some reason, yung yaya ko nag-decide kung ano ang costume ko. So, my school was a Catholic school.
Okay.
So, mga madre yung mga teachers ko. So, damit ng madre ang ginawa niya sa akin. Nagsuot niya ako ng damit ng madre. Imagine being 4 or
Yeah,
5. But my immediate reaction, and that's what I felt, no, was of complete happiness.
Euphoria.
Euphoria. So, when she put on the black dress and then like the veil, and I looked at myself in front of the mirror for the first time, I was like, I look like my teacher.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, I look like sister, ganito, mother, ganito. And I was like, I like it so much. I'm so ready to go to school the next day to wear this costume.
Quick question. Bakit? Paano niya naisip na madre yun?
Ewan ko!
Bakit na sa
Kasalanan
kung
ng yaya ko. Pero, ewan ko nga eh. Like, but then, I
I
realized,
think that's divine
ay, no. Baka natin, or baka, wala talaga siyang
Bakit
ibang
sa
naisip.
science?
Kasi nga, kailangan na ng nanay ko ng costume.
Ay,
may,
diba?
costume.
diba?
Effort
May
yun,
kurtinang itim doon.
Sister
Tapos
Stella
na-
L ka dyan.
Very
Diba?
love it. Activist. Medyo self-fulfilling prophecy. No? Anyway, so pumasok ko ng school the next day wearing my nun costume. Very proud talaga. Sabi ko, parang eto na. Knock it out of the park. Like, I look like my teachers.
Yeah.
But when I entered, dun ako nagkaroon ng gender challenge. Obviously, the sisters weren't happy about it because di pwedeng maging madre, lalaki ka eh. So, nung dumating ako at sabi nun sa kayaya, bakit naman madre yung pinasuot mo dito? Tanggalin na lang natin yung belo. Pari ka na lang.
Oh my God. Iba ba lang nila yung white pag
Iba na, ginanon nila, tapos pari na ako. Doon na-challenge yung gender
Totoo.
ko. I couldn't, put 2 and 2 together na, why was I so happy the night before
Correct.
when I was wearing the nun costume? But then now that they asked me to be a priest, hindi ko siya matanggap.
Yeah.
Na parang mali yung
Na parang
You were
mali.
so happy, but at the same time, parang bakit
Oo.
reaction nyo? Parang negative.
Correct. So, doon ako nasuntok, I guess, ng realidad
Yeah.
at a very young age. not people have a very specific, like,
Black and white
black and white
view.
boxes
About gender.
of gender, about where you can be put in. Now, I always remember this because this is really, because I really felt how sad I was when I was corrected. No? So, that's my gender challenge, and I always, kinukwento ko to lagi because imagine being so young and so sure of how you felt. Then society just slaps you in the face with like, no, that's wrong.
Yeah.
And they can't even explain it to you. They're just like, in there, just no. So that was my first experience. And I think I didn't have obviously any language to describe what I was feeling. But it came a lot later. But again, imagine children that young have their own sense of self na alam na nila kahit papano, no? They can't explain it, they have no words for it. But then when you counter it with that kind of challenge, the effect is lifetime. Hanggang ngayon naalala ko pa siya.
Yung confidence mo.
Yeah.
And then you start to question also yourself.
Exactly.
Diba?
And I like how, even as a young child, may sense ka of like what made you happy and you kind of could explain it in your head.
Yes.
Pero hindi mo siya ma-verbalize to your adults. Because I think meron akong similar experience to you pero a bit reversed. When I also like dressing up, and as a kid, one of my favorite movies was Hocus Pocus.
Oh, wow!
Because-
First magic.
And so since sobrang gusto ko doon was like the magic.
Yeah.
That's what I liked. And I wanted to like wear like capes and stuff like that. Yung mga stuffed toys ko, lalagyan ko ng cape. But everybody kept on telling me na pang girls lang yan. And I was like, girls lang ang pwede mag-shoot ng lightning from their hand. Parang unfair yun. But yun, people were assuming that I probably was like trans or gay. Pero yun, ikaw, very clear that it was
Yeah, it was
the feminineness of it that was
that
making you happy.
exactly.
And as kids, alam na, parang we can feel it, we just can't verbalize it.
True.
What about Bam?
Hi, haba yan.
Grabe naman yung
So anyways,
hininga.
what about?
hindi. Pero for me, very different also. I think very similar. Very different to a certain point because, I grew up in the 80s.
Talaga?
Hi!
Hindi ba 2000?
Ay! Never, I grew up in the 80s, and the 80s, there were only two types of, or you could actually really box yourself to a certain point, where it's either you were gay or you were tomboy, lesbian, diba? Pero growing up talaga, I knew I was a boy. I was a, lagi kong sinasabi, I'm a man trapped in a semi-woman's body growing up. So, parang bata pa lang ako, magkakamuwang pa lang ako. Syempre, girls na yung gusto ko talaga from the very, very young age. First crush ko, I remember her. Sorry, my wife is watching. But, first crush ko,
Siya yung pinto.
baby thinks. She's very understanding. Hindi, pero like, first crush ko, grade 1 pa lang, alam ko na kagad na gusto kong babae. And, akin talaga, boy ako. Period. Diba? That's in my head. Pero growing up, yun nga, meron part nung nagiging teenager years na, there was a part where nagta-track and field ako at that time. Runner ako nung unang panahon, with matching Philippine team, pambansang laro and whatnot. But there was a part where I was starting to grow breasts. And before kasi, singlet ka lang, so wala ka lang ibang susuotin and then yung track and field shorts mo. So ako, okay ako. Kahit na naka-ponytail ako, alam mo yun, it didn't matter what the hair was. Basta for me, boy ako. But eventually, when it was growing and whatnot, my coach eventually told my dad, Mr. Terol, mukhang kailangan na ng anak mo mag-bra. Yung concept nung bra, I had no idea what it was.
Okay.
Sabi ko, ano yan? Why are you forcing me to wear something na I don't need? At that's what I was telling them. Parang I don't need it. Parang can I wear something else? Parang ganun. So I was trying to find ways to stop it from growing. So that's where I started wearing my sports bra na parang I never taped, I never binded. Pero sports bra lang talaga was the only thing. Pero it felt unfair. It felt unfair when I was seeing all my friends na guys na ba't sila hindi tumubo? Bakit sa akin meron?
Also back then, parang binding is not a thing yet.
No, I wasn't.
Diba?
No talaga.
Parang bakit ka magbabind? Pero
Hindi
meron,
talaga.
diba?
I don't have the idea of what binding was.
Yeah.
Actually, I only found out binding siguro in my 20s na. It was not
Okay.
something that's part of my, my surroundings also kasi
Yeah.
Rare din siya. So it was that. So meron din akong part na parang I felt betrayed to a certain point by my
By your own body.
my
Ah,
own body. It
yeah.
was that's how I felt.
Wow.
Diba? It is what it is. Thank God for top surgery.
Alam mo, ako naman, just to share also, syempre singit ko yung sarili. Ako naman, similarly,
Yeah.
parang nagsimula ako naman sa mga Sailor Moon. Back then, it was Sailor Moon. And whenever I'm playing with my sister ng X-Men or Sailor Moon, she doesn't see anything wrong pag ako si Storm, ako si Sailor Mars, ganyan. Minsan sabi ko, ikaw yung lalaki kunwari. So ako si Storm. So wala kami nakikitang mali dun sa mga ginagawa namin. But then, growing up, nung nagba-Barbie na yung mga pinsan ko, ganyan yung best friend ko, sumasali ako ng Barbie. And ito na yung society telling, why is Louie playing Barbie? Di ba?
Yeah.
Why are you playing? So, dapat kalaro mo yung mga lalaki, baka maging ano ka na. So, doon ako nawi-weirdo na parang, naglalaro lang kami. Why does it feel like I have to hide playing this Barbie?
Correct.
Parang, ano lang naman to. And then, one more kwento kung bakit also ako, I was impacted when I was a kid. Dahil dun sa mga madre, si Sister Stella L, bigla akong dinamitan yung yung si Brutus ng Papay. Kasi parang hindi ba yung jacket niyang gano'n. Parang so naputol siya, so mukha siyang naka-dress.
Skirt.
Oh my
So,
God.
dahil parang very creative, dilagyan ko siya ng parang belo. Sabi ko, sister na lang yung role niya. Kasi I'm doing like a skit, yung mga laro-laro ang gano'n. So sabi ko, sister na lang ang itawag mo sa akin. And then my mom heard it.
Oh.
Pinalabas niya ako, no, pas ka ganyan. So I remember I'm crying for like 30 minutes. Hindi ko alam what's wrong.
Yeah.
Hindi naman ako yung sister. Hindi ko naman sabing tawagin mo akong sister. Like,
Siya
the
pala.
cartoon character. Like, what's wrong? So, the trauma.
Oh,
Yeah.
For sure.
Exactly.
Yun lang.
Which is
Just
mga madre talaga.
Ay ba? Mga three sisters nila.
so parang no, yung like LGBTQ people really like collect these traumas from such
Yeah,
a
there's a
young
lot.
age, diba? Tas, I think what's in common na lahat na sinabi natin is like alam natin what we feel,
Yes.
alam natin like what it is, yung experience na yun as a kid, pero you can't communicate it to the adults.
Yeah.
True.
They'll like never get it.
They won't.
Uh,
They would feel like that's, parang ano yan, we haven't heard of that. Why? We're not gonna acknowledge
What are
you
you
doing
doing?
that.
Parang,
Like I would put all my lampin on the stuffed toys. My cape sila, ganun sabihin nila, like dress and mag-explain ka, cape siya. Like Superman has a
I
cape.
was Ken. I was always Ken. I had kasi neckties. I would wear neckties. Sando neckties. It's the same. As in, yung larong kalye din talaga. Yung tsinelas ko nasa kamay ko. I mean,
Same. Yung gender roles, parang yun nga, parang binupush ka towards these.
where you're supposed to be, supposedly.
Ang earliest ko dyan na in terms of like, kasi tatlo kami magkakapatid, isang babae, tapos ako yung panganay, lalaki, babae. Tapos, laging ako, kagaya ng, like for example, so guy ka, so blue ka, tapos yung kapatid mo ay pink. So ako, bakit di ako pwede maging pink? Yung toothbrush ko gusto ko pink. Pwede bang, bakit siya lang yung pwede magka-pink na toothbrush?
Especially
Blue ako.
Power Rangers.
Diba?
Like,
Sino ka?
babae
The white
si
ka.
Pink.
Yeah.
Ako si Yellow kasi medyo parang
Ako
feeling
blue
ko,
ako.
medyo matapang ako eh. Pero babae pa rin si Yellow. So parang, bakit ka Yellow? Hindi ka ba si Blue? Sige na nga si Blue na lang. Medyo kasi ano siya.
Ang sama ng loob ko, ako si Black Ranger.
Talaga? Oh my.
Favorite ko, yun yung ina-announce ko na Black Ranger.
Pasok mo sa branding.
Yun na nga, sabi ko, parang lifetime ko nang inano yung pagkamadre. Nakaitim.
Tsaka black and white. True.
Yun na nga.
The next question naman is, since na-realize na natin that we're different, so sa mundo noon where we only see the straights, tas meron mga, on the sideline may mga bading, like sina Dolphy and all.
Yeah.
Kailan nyo naman na-realize that you guys aren't
Yeah.
like gay?
You're not
And
gay.
you're not...
Kasi there are no ngayon,
Yeah.
buti there are
Marami na.
people like you who are
Totoo.
out there for the younger people. Pero kayo, wala kayong role models.
Wala.
Yeah.
Wala talaga.
It was a threat to be told na parang, gusto bakla ka? Magiging kagaya mo yung parlorista sa kanto.
Totoo.
Siya magiging ikaw yun. As if it was you
Bad
know,
thing.
a bad
Oh,
thing. Na
correct.
parang, and then I realized nung nakilala ko yung parlorista kasi siya din yung, kasi I live in a very small town.
Yeah.
And then, yung parlorista rin yun, siya din yung naggumagawa ng mga float ng mga
Oh.
mga fiesta,
Yeah.
na mga siya yung nagde-design ng lahat.
Creative.
Creative siya. So I've
Correct.
only seen this person, the most popular or like famous gay person in our small town as the creative person of this town. Pero siya din yung sinasabi na, sige, magiging kagaya ka niya. Tapos ako parang, ha? Okay lang.
You know what? I also remember my lola. Sabi din niya nung when I was growing up, na feeling niya siguro magiging bading ako. Sabi niya, wag ka magiging bading. Ibibigay nun lahat ng pera niya sa mga lalaki. Ganyan. Parang ako,
Ay,
Diyos ko.
I will never be like that. Ganun yung utak ko. I will never be like... So, tumatak talaga yun sa utak ko as a kid. Parang, no, I'm not gonna end up like that. But during that time, wala pa tayong role model.
wala.
Na parang may bading na naging successful.
Trans wala.
Totoo.
Hirap.
Oo,
trans
lalo na
man,
siguro.
mas trans
Trans man.
man.
Trans
man.
Trans man.
Oo.
Wala.
Kasi like, for example, yung term nga na bading, no?
Mhm.
It encompasses like gay guys,
Yeah.
mask for mask,
Femmes.
femmes, trans women.
Mm.
So like the parlorista by today's terms, di ko nga anong pronoun gamitin ko? She gay? Was she
Yeah.
trans?
Oh,
Diba?
diba?
Yeah.
Oo, kasi they don't, actually, nung pinag-aralan yan, yung origins ng Philippine na
True.
bakla at bading, it straddles a lot of these identities.
Yeah.
Correct,
No?
correct, correct.
And nung pinag-aaralan siya, parang hindi naman, nag-fluid siya eh.
Yeah,
Nag-cross.
true.
Sometimes, they more feminine and they act more feminine, but they can't, or they don't identify as women. Pero they're like towards
True.
a super feminine, And I also feel like ganun din siguro sa
Trans.
trans men nung time na yun when they were a lot more on the down low, hindi pa sila masyadong
Tsaka maraming ninja kasi.
Yun na,
Parang,
oo,
di ba,
yun, sa
they were,
Bakste.
there's the
Wait,
passing
what's
part
a
of it.
ninja?
Hindi, ninja na trans man. We call it ninja or we call it passing. Kasi there's, and again, there's no one way to look like a trans man ha. Just para at least we're also clear. Kasi I really advocate for that because our journeys are very different, you know,
Correct.
and
Correct.
you know, you don't have to take, like for me, I take HRT, I've already medically transitioned. It doesn't have to be that way. So just putting that out there as well. So, pag passing ka, which means you look like a cis male,
Okay, correct.
yun ka, trans man ka. And a lot of them go hiding. Kasi for them, as long as they're passing already, they're okay. Kasi they want to blend.
They call it the passing privilege.
Probably, yeah, passing privilege. So if you're passing privilege and you don't look like yun, tomboy or lesbian, they'll rather, ninja na talaga sila. They'll keep quiet. And they don't want to open up their mouths and whatnot because they don't need to anymore eh.
Yeah.
Wala na eh. Because they're already passing.
Kasi like all the privileges
Kami
that
lang
comes
naman yung
with it.
maiingay na trans man eh.
Which is, yun yung magandang nangyari.
Ah.
So that's the generational change that
Yes.
happened na ngayon, no? But talking about challenges when
Yeah.
nung sa time namin, and then, kasi, like for example, that's the trans man
Yeah.
experience. The trans women experience naman is, our only pegs for transhood are the beauty queens.
Yeah.
True.
Which is an incredible patriarchal standard
True.
na mahirap na nga sa babae, mas lalo pa sa trans
Yeah.
women.
Totoo.
True.
So, kaming walang access sa trans healthcare or actual transitioning, dini-DIY lahat. Kasi hindi, ang pamantayan ay Diyosa.
True.
Na frog ka. Ang tawag sa amin niya ay frog. Ay cis frog ka. Hindi ka pa Diyosa. So, kung hindi ka Diyosa, parang invalidated,
True.
di ba? Parang, kasi aabot din ako dyan sis, wait lang, mag-iipon ako, ganyan-ganyan, or like magdi-DIY ako ng malala. Pero, yun yung tinry natin na mawala. Yung pressure na gano'n.
True.
Kasi,
Sa inyo may mga ganun kayo, may mga beauty queen. Wala naman din sa main line.
oo nga,
Totoo.
wala naman.
Mr. Beauty Queen. Wala naman.
Sino bang pinaka-first closest thing to a trans man role model?
Oh my God.
Parang
Wala talaga. Kasi
At the, like, 90s. no?
90s,
Weird,
wala.
no?
I don't even think. I mean, it's really masculine butches that we would see. And
Masculine.
butches. Like, yeah.
I think the first ones to really come out na trans and all would be Aiza and
Ice,
Sure.
Ice and...
But si Ice, I'm older than Ice. That's the thing. So,
so very nito na lang.
oo, parang nito na lang din. And then yung part lang na when Ice also came out, recent na lang yun.
True.
Parang kami yung mga quiet na nag-out, na nag-social out na kami, social transitioning na kami. Parang, I'm happy that Ice is out because, kasi at least finally, siya, may nagsasalita. And we were supporting him kasi talaga, behind the scenes kasi, we want that that visibility. And plus, yung fans ni Ice from sinuunang panahon pa. So, if we see that generation supports him, it's not going to be hard for us to come out too. Yun
Correct.
yung point nun.
May nauna.
May nauna eh.
Yeah.
And plus, he's been there, and then plus, the fans love him talaga. Nandyan talaga yung love.
Quick question regarding that. Kasi sina Ice and sina Charisse,
What's
Jake
pala,
Jake's
Jake.
like
nagsimula sila like lesbians and then they came out as lesbian and then naging trans men.
yeah.
Kayo ba, did you also have like dalawang ikot
Two
na
coming
ganon?
outs, diba?
Two
The double
outs?
coming out. Si
22
Jack.
coming out.
Multiple. Come out every single time.
Yes, every time.
So, there's a phenomenon for trans
Mm.
persons
True.
na may hindi lahat dumadaan
True.
sa may ginatawag na gay boy face sa amin sa transgender.
Okay.
No? Kasi, ang expectation kasi is para siyang again, nasa frog tayo, no? So,
Okay.
parang life cycle of a frog. So, magta-tadpole ka muna, parang bakla ka muna, tapos magiging sobrang femme ka, tapos magiging trans ka. Yun yung nasa isip ng mga tao for a long time, na may
Correct.
ganung parang proseso. So, I've
It's not
known
true.
and learned of many trans women who don't undergo a gay boy phase.
Correct.
Hindi sila naging baklang lalaki. No? They have just, they cannot, dinireject na talaga nila yung masculinity and then yung pagiging, yung malehood. And it's just dysphoric enough na hindi na nila kaya and then like nasasabi na nila na trans sila. I
Again,
know Doc
yeah.
has more experience with talking
Siguro
to
yung kasi like what I see a lot is the gay boy face or like the lesbian face is usually externally pressured.
Yeah.
Na parang
Correct. You were
kailangan
kept
ko
to be this
pagdaanan
way.
muna to to see if like to calm down my family, my loved ones, not susubukan siya. I'll have to yun yung when people say how will you know that you don't like it unless you give it a try? Like a twisted version of that. So usually ang yun yung narinig ko for my patients na they have to go through like a test run. And ayaw talaga nila. It's
Or
really
society
not.
na rin. Pressure siya. Kasi, for example, you cannot explain your identity as solidly as you can yet. So, what's the easiest and most accessible
ito
identity?
muna.
Edi bakla muna ako.
Bakla muna.
For a long time, para madaling sabihin, nung high school ako, college ako, ganun yung sinabi ko, I'm just an extremely feminine like boy.
Okay.
Ganun, di ba? But then eventually when it became like, wala na, uncomfortable na talaga, like I could not bear it na
Yeah.
people talk to me and refer to me as a he. Parang like alam mo may katina sa ano mo na parang like parang please
Tama na.
or tama na, or like if they call me by my dead name, para akong may nakukuryente ako bigla na parang
If na the dead
Oo.
name. Naka-dead name ako, so baka makancel ako din siya. So, i-correct ko,
It's
Ice and
Jake.
Jake.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah,
It's not
Yeah.
self-aware.
So,
yung importante, yung correct.
I think dapat alam din nila what's dead naming.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh
dead-
yeah. Speaking of histories, so when you transition, part of a lot of
Yes.
people's social transitioning is changing their given names, no? So it's important to distinguish kasi we didn't choose these names.
Yes.
These were given to us the same way as our
True.
As
gender.
everybody else,
Oh, at inassign sa amin. And when we say we want to be referred to our lived names, it's what we want, the name that we want to be addressed.
Correct.
So that's the reason why we call it a dead name, because ayaw na namin siyang gamitin.
Okay.
And the reason why we push for gender recognition law is so that we can easily change it.
Yes.
The same way as people, gaano kababaw pwede mag-change ng name sa Pilipinas. Like, ang dami siyang, just to prove na you've been using this name for
Correct.
this so and so many years, the court will approve it. There's just one huge exception, and that's for us.
Correct.
Doon lang nagkakaroon ng exception, so ganun siya ka-unfair.
Okay.
But anyway, that's a talk about the thing.
Yeah, eventually.
I have a quick question though for you. So, di ba, being a gay boy muna or a lesbian, tas tas next is trans, minsan sa society natin, dito sa Philippines especially,
Yeah.
lalo na pag pretty ka, ganyan. Di ba merong mga, ang ganda mo ng babae, bakit ka
Si Saya.
Ganyan, si Sayang.
Exactly.
Yung ang gwapo mo sana, but, pero, oh my God,
diba?
yan yung pinaka-hit namin sa lahat. I mean, to be fair, I used to do commercials when I was younger and I used to do a lot of movies kasi ba,
Paki-flash.
yeah. Wag! I'm a actor cousin kasi. So, kung saan si kuya pumunta, sama din ako, parang
Okay.
gano'n. So, parang mini-mini niya ako, no. So, growing up, I really did a lot of commercials and a lot of, ako yung naglabas ng, Champ.
Yung
Oo.
ano.
So, ako was after Carmina Villarreal, basically.
Wow.
Yes. Back 1985, I think, nilabas ko yung that particular print ad and I did a lot of commercials as well after that. So, I had no choice but to do that when I was younger because my mother wanted to use me. Charot. Pero, kasi pinirahan ako ng nanay ko. Sayang naman din naman.
Oo.
Ako na naman nakanabang at the end. Pero, she hated it when I shaved off my head.
Oh.
That was the turning
Wait,
point.
when did you
I was
shave?
13.
Okay.
So that was the day where, like, that was the year where I go, like, I'm done. I'm done with the commercials. I'm done with the VTRs. I'm done with the go-sees. I'm done with everything. Kasi I don't like the dressing up and everything else, diba? And then para akong may dual personality. Na parang, ito ako in front of cameras, as ito ako at home or outside or whatnot, yung kusino ako. And I didn't like it. I think the part of it in terms of the the sayang part of it. I wish people would stop saying that actually. It's something na I want them to see na no matter what it is, ito na yun eh. Diba? Parang we all look good and, maganda at gwapo kami and,
Tama.
mabait kami at matalino kami. And wala nang pero at wala nang but. I wish it would stop. Parang eventually mag-drop na talaga siya.
And, this is, so when I teach my microaggression seminars and classes,
Microaggression din.
so, because it is a microaggression
It is,
when
yeah.
you say na parang sayang. Because, to be honest, they don't know how, like, it would impact somebody. It's just parang sobrang dali lang sabihin
Yeah.
na sayang.
They feel it's a
Or
compliment.
sa compliment,
Oo.
na backhanded compliment, diba? Na parang, sayang, ang gwapo mo, sayang ka. The way to challenge it, and that's how I tell my students, sabi ko, ask them, anong part? In what way?
Correct.
In what way ako sayang? And they usually cannot answer.
They keep quiet.
They keep quiet kasi they realize na na-internalize na finally na parang wait lang.
Mali nga.
I won't ask this to a person who's not gay LGBT, di ba? So, why am I confident in asking this one na alam kong hindi siya compliment,
Correct.
di ba? So, it grounds them back to like, the intention na baka hindi nila nafe-feel na weird pala siyang tanong. And then, so, ganun ko siya sinasabi. And then, ganun ko rin siya pinapa-internalize sa iba na hindi nakaka-realize na hindi pala ito maganda. Because, nga naman, anong point ka sayang? In what way ka sayang?
Pero marami pang education talaga.
Of
Marami.
course.
At talaga nakakapagod kasi parang kung hindi mo rin din i-educate na yung sinasabi nga ni mother na ibalik mo sa kanya or sabihin mo na hindi mo na kailangan sabihin yun. Marami pa talaga. And hindi naman din tayo naging oversensitive kasi may sabihin ng mga mata, OA nyo naman. Hindi yun. It's a matter of ikaw ba gusto mong sabihin ko?
Exactly.
Gusto mo, balik ko sa'yo. Diba? So, kung ikayo, sa'yo ko iba sabihin, would you want the same thing? Diba? So, it's not about ang sensitive naman ng LGBTQIA. Hindi kami sensitive. Ang amin is, pakatao lang tayo.
Correct. It doesn't get asked somebody else.
Oo.
Bakit sa amin sobrang
Bakit
common?
lagi?
And ano
Tigil. Sayang, saan?
when
Banda.
I talk to like for example, we do a lot of family counseling here.
Yeah.
Kasi the transitioning process is not just for the actual transgender person, but it's the family.
Of course.
When the parents are talking, they will always make a mistake. They will always still use the dead name. They will
Yeah.
always still use wrong pronouns. And every time, i-correct ko sila.
Yeah.
And then, when they say he or she, I say, use the correct pronouns or use the correct name. Tapos nakikita mo na awkward sila. And I think that's how it goes kasi in homes, di ba?
Yes.
When the parents or the loved ones make a mistake, it's a very Filipino thing na I'll pretend like it didn't happen.
Correct.
No.
Passive aggressive tayo.
Yeah. Pero if we don't correct it kasi, hindi mo mapapractice yung doing it the right
Correct.
way.
Actually.
So that's what I tell the parents. It's okay to make mistakes
Correct.
because we have a lot of unlearning to do as a society. Pero if you admit the mistake, apologize, and then correct, and if you do that every time you make a mistake, within time,
Correct.
you'll stop making that mistake, no? So that's yun yung something very important for the people around the transgender
And then you
individual.
also understand why it becomes a choice.
Yeah.
Nung di ba, na to really misgender, to really use like, you know,
Alam mo,
alam mo
aware ka eh.
di ba? Ang lagi ko nga sinasabi, impact trumps intent.
Correct.
You may have the best intent, but you did not consider the impact to the person you're talking
correct,
to.
correct.
And that your communication will always fail.
True.
So your motivation when you're trying to change, like for example, to correctly gender a person or use their lived name already, think of how they will receive it.
Correct.
Diba? The impact to that person first, not yung importansya ng intention ko. Ang intention ko naman is mabuti,
Correct.
but you didn't deliver it considering how it would be accepted by the other person.
Kasi mabuti, pero actually may konting
I know.
may konting kick na gano'n, di ba?
Diba? Well,
I
yeah.
think meron din tayo, coming from a parent, because I'm also a parent, I think coming from that piece of, I'll look at that perspective as well. We're also in a culture where we can't call out our parents.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We're so scared to like, hindi. Tapos pagka sumami mo, hindi. Sasabihin, pabalang ka, or sumasagot ka, or we have to, we have to change that. I think parents and children should now have more conversations where, doing things are, why we're doing things, and, the choices that we make, and, it should be an open communication. And it's a taboo to talk to your parents, diba? You can't even talk about, totoo.
Yeah.
Hello.
Where did you learn?
Yeah.
I mean, come on, diba? Like, where did you ever have that conversation? Did you ever
No.
have, diba?
So
Like,
awkward.
all of
And
these,
you can't talk about gender without
exactly.
No.
And then you can't talk about your life with your parents. I mean, these are the conversations that we had to learn ourselves with our friends, and and whatnot. But it's not a thing. And again, I'm coming from a place where respect, we have to respect each other, as human beings. Kay magulang ka pa, kay anak ka. Yun lang yung akin. Kaya siguro there's that part din.
And I
Kaya
think-
hindi mo ma-call out.
I think the beauty din nowadays is marami na tayong, so slowly, marami na tayong media na nakikita, like films, commercials, and all that
Yeah.
really showcases the community,
Yeah.
the trans community, the gay community, and ganon ka-impactful yung such
of
forms
role
of
models.
media.
To
Correct.
have role models.
Kasi pag nakikita ng parents natin or people around us na ganito, medyo mas nagiging normal sa
Yeah.
kanila. Kasi like before ako, kita namin, bakit nagpo-post ka ng ganyan? Ang sakit sa mata, parang ganon. Pero later on, dahil na-expose na siya, parang nakita ko yung heart na niya minsan.
Very good.
Yeah. Yung mga ganyang moments na kaya importante yung visibility.
Correct.
Because it changes the way people talk about
Correct.
things na hindi nila mapag-usapan, which is the taboo part. Like for example, it was a watershed moment for national Philippine television when si Bibi Gandang Hari
True.
came out on Pinoy Big Brother.
True.
'Di ba? Because almost 80% of the Philippine population was watching that,
Yeah.
the TV show. And then when she came out to Kiana na may mga paru-paro pa, may mga kung ano-ano pa mga mythical things, 'di ba? It offered a way for families to talk about transitioning na hindi pa nila nagagawa ever, ano? So may mga kwento tayo na yun yung mga naaalala ng mga kaibigan ko, for example, trans, na the first time my father referred to anybody as like parang okay lang yun eh. Yun talaga siya eh. At doon niya nalaman na yun pala iniisip ng tatay niya dahil nakapanood siya ng ganong klaseng thing sa television.
I think that's a very good segue, no? Like the ability to actually transition, diba?
Oh yeah.
So, maybe we can shift now to talk about like what transitioning was like then versus like what transitioning is like now. How was your like first experience?
God, there's
What's your first
Post ulit sa'yo.
Ano na ba tayo? Ang harap.
Harap po. Okay na po ako. Okay na.
But yeah, like, what was your first step in transitioning? Like, how old were you? And like, where
Ayan,
did you find
as I've
out?
said,
Uh-uh.
I wish everything was available at a younger, if this was available in my teens, I would have done it at an early age. But the thing is, it wasn't. So, again, 80s, 90s, even in the 2000s, back in college, and then we start working, wala pa talaga. There's a good friend, pare-parehas kami ng story kasi totoo talaga to. One good friend, Ging sa Strobal, si Ging goes like kay Baba told us, goes like, ano ka ba talaga ba? Hi, yun na, si Epiphany.
Okay.
Sabi ko, anong question
Gender
ko?
challenge.
Oh,
So,
gender
ito na.
challenge ka na kasi nagsasoji din si Baba si Ging eh. So, ano ka ba talaga Bam? So parang ako, anong tinatanong mo? Hindi ko lang tao. Yun yung hirit ko. Tao lang ako. Yun nagsagot ko. Kasi
Gender blind. Yung
gender blind ako to a certain point kasi parang ako, I didn't know where,
Mm.
I didn't want the ma'am. I'm not a she. I really wanted the him and his and a sir.
Mm.
Kahit sir, ayoko talaga. Pero gets mo, parang I wanna be called by Bam. And tagal ko ng Bam. So, nung tinanong niya ako doon, hindi ko din alam ang sasagot ko. Sanagot ko tao ako. And then, that's I started questioning myself. And I started opening myself in reading more about what transgender is. At that time, it was it's derogatory now, transvestite pa at that time.
Okay.
And then, transsexual. And I was trying to like understand what is this? Am I this? But I'm not yun yung sasabi ko. But I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this, I'm not doing this. So how can I be that? So hindi ko naiintindihan yung social transition na that's already transitioning to who you are in based on, kasi wala naman soji nung panahon natin, di ba?
Ito.
So parang wala akong sexual orientation, gender. Alam mo, hindi ko alam. So andun ako sa part na parang okay, how can I be that if I didn't do this yet? Should I do it ba? That was the part na like, how do I do this? So grabe yung encyclopedia. Grabe yung encyclopedia noon, wala noon.
Yun nasa
Ang hirap sagutin, di ba?
Pa yun naka...
Oo, yung nakakampleto ng set. Pero at that time, wala naman din kaming, wala din resources, online resources to really show what these things are. I mean, it was like a few documents or a few written articles about it based on from the Stonewall, mostly really in the US or Canada or New Zealand, Australia, where top surgery was being done already. First phalloplasty, for example, was already done. All of these new technology and whatnot. And I go like, but I haven't done all of those. So what am I?
Hindi ako.
Diba? Yun yung sinasabi ko. That's why I'm advocating that there's no one way in transitioning because your journey is your journey. So as long as you identify as a trans,
That's enough.
that's enough. That you're not part of your binary or original genitalia, that's who you are. So it took me a while, to be very honest with you. And I eventually met my wife already. She started helping me. I need to understand what this is because it's really giving me masama talaga yung dysphoria ko.
Yeah.
And it was really just, really, it was, mind punk
Blowing.
siya talaga. Punk siya talaga. Mind punk siya to a certain point na talagang, oh my God, what's happening to me? And I didn't want to also feel na I was feeling so much na I could not compartmentalize it at that time. Then I started meeting up with a few groups. That's where it started. So they acknowledged me as you've already socially transitioned as Bam. You're a trans man. You're he and his. But I haven't done anything else in terms of after that. So parang ako, sige, slowly. And then eventually, yun, met up a few groups. The groups did not really answer a lot of my questions. And then eventually, read more, met a few more people. I was like, okay, this is my tribe. And then, pandemic happened. It was
So the pandemic, you weren't on TF?
No, I wasn't. No.
Okay.
No,
So very late.
Very
late.
ito na
In my
lang.
40s. So I only did my top surgery, my 40th birthday gift for myself.
Okay.
So I did my top surgery 40, and then I went to you a year and 8 months ago.
Yeah.
That's it.
Nice. Okay.
Wow. Grabe.
Along.
So,
late talaga.
Yes,
In my 40s.
parang nag-antay tayo na maging safe, I guess. Or,
Nag-antay ako na may makakasagot ng mga tao.
okay. Yun.
Kasi sobrang takot ako kasi sakitin niya akong tao. So parang ako hanggang sa may taong may mapagpasensya, nasasagutin lahat ng tanong ko. na hindi ako at masasagot yung tanong ng asawa ko kasi yung asawa ko was my biggest concern was my wife.
Mhm.
And I wanted her to feel safe na if I was going to do this, kasi sabi mo nga, my family is part of this journey, I wanted her to feel safe.
Mm.
Not just for me. Kasi I would do anything for me to belong to the body na I deserve. For me, kailangan maintindihan niya na it's not going to be a bad thing.
Mm.
And there's that one person that's going to take care of me, that clinic that's going to take care of me. Thank you, Hara.
And that's a challenge din
It's
talaga
true,
with the
it's
gays,
true.
no?
Huh?
Na it takes a while for us to really be
Took me,
kung sino
can you
tayo.
imagine, it took me 30 years. Basically, more than, I'm 44 as of now. What? Grade 1? So, it took me what?
Diba? Ang tagal. Like,
For-
Yeah.
I don't know,
You need to get
35 years,
to a
diba?
level of parang feeling mong ka na, untouchable ka na by
and
society.
yung feeling mo safe ka na
Yeah.
lumabas. Kasi
Mm-mm.
kapag hindi ka pa safe lumabas, parang feeling mo, you're gonna really hide and
Yeah.
conform to the society.
And that you can afford it. My God.
Yeah,
This is
it's not
very cheap.
cheap.
Oh, when I was a lot younger, the reason why I DIY'd everything is because I
Correct.
cannot afford
Correct.
access was difficult.
Yes.
There is access, but there's a barrier because mahal na nga siya, but then you don't even know how to do
Correct.
the stuff. And then, you're relying on, lagi ko sinasabi, institutional memory ng mga
Correct.
mama-mama.
Correct.
Yung mga nanay-nanayan sa na
Correct,
parang
correct.
like, gusto mo
Ah,
ganito kadaming ganito lang anak. So
Correct.
parang naipasa-pasa siya. So nung time namin hindi ko alam kung like
Yeah.
how like safe that was.
Yeah.
But what I was very sure of was like I was ready. Nung
Yeah.
time na parang chemically hormonal transition na ako. So but sobrang DIY yun. Talagang kung sino lang alam kung pwede makatulong sa akin, dun lang binibase ko. Puro ako tableta, puro ako
Okay.
na apparently sobrang high dosage pala no, na talagang medyo, kaya ako lutang. Kasi, di ba?
Kasi DIY.
DIY ko pala, di ba? So, but then, nakikita mo kasi. So, and then the pressure to look a certain way.
Bawal ka na
Na
maging
parang,
frog.
Oh, bawal ka
Kailangan-
maging frog. Talagang Diyos ka
Oh,
na, di
correct.
ba?
Oh.
Frog, ekis na. So, ayun. So, parang, but then, I am grateful
Correct.
na umabot ako dun sa point na naging mas mainstream na yung parang pagdi-destroy nung idea ng passing.
Correct.
Kasi when I came in and then tried to understand my own transhood, andun pa rin siya sa hulma nung
Ito dapat.
patriarchal na
Correct.
ano ng pagkababae.
Correct.
Ito lang ang itsurang katanggap-tanggap ang maging babae, so ganito ka lang dapat, ganito lang goal mo. Sure, then reality hit because I had friends who transitioned before me na undergone really unsafe practices. So I could, I always recall the memory of a good friend na she was from the same province as I am, small town, had big dreams, gusto niya maging entertainer, she really wanted to be one of the best dancers in her batch, and then she really wanted to be, a popular, performer, entertainer. But it so happened na nung sabay kami pumunta ng Maynila, ako nakapag-aral sa malaking university, siya nagtrabaho agad. Because she really wanted to be a performer, entertainer. And then, halos sabay kaming nag-transition. And then, wala akong narinig na sa kanya, sa buhay niya, until tragedy struck.
Correct.
So, she apparently saved enough money, but just scraped enough dun sa buhay niya as an entertainer, na nakalipad siya ng Thailand, but dahil sa pagtitipid, had to go to those fly-by-night doctors na nag-sexy assignment surgery na nasa dental chair lang. Walang ilang araw, sepsis, patay.
Oh my God.
Kasi yung
So
kaibigan
sad.
ko,
Yeah.
umuwing bangkay. So, ako na pinapanood yung parang I was cheering her on kasi ako hindi ko pa kayang mag-physical and medical transition. Siya nangahas, nag-effort para, kumita ng pera at maka-afford nun. Pero trahedya ang inabot. So, lagi kong sinasabi na kung nagkaiba lang ang buhay namin, nagkapalit kami, ako sana yung nandun.
Correct.
Hindi eh. So, I want to honor that kind of memory with consistently educating my trans sisters na there's a safe way to do this. There's a
Correct.
way, at hindi tayo nagmamadali.
Correct.
Ang ipinaglaban ko nun ay okay lang maging frog.
Totoo.
Like, okay lang maging
True.
frog, tadpole, in between, carry lang din yan, di ba? Dahil ang road to Diyosa ay hindi naman dapat agad. At walang kabawasan sa pagiging
Totoo.
babae mo kung hindi ka pa nakaabot dun sa lugar na yun. So, yeah, I mean, if it prevents one more tragedy,
Yeah.
Yeah,
I would
that's
have
true.
done my job as an advocate.
Same. Yeah.
And also, I think it's really beautiful nowadays seeing, like, for example, meron tayong mga, like, the drag queens who are transitioning,
Yep.
diba, sina
Yes.
Marina and all,
Yes.
na nakikita ng mga younger generation, that's, diba?
It's so much easier also to when you're actually a doctor, you can call back to these
Yeah.
role models. You can say like they're doing fine. This
True.
is what the process was like back then. But did you ever even try to talk to a doctor?
No! Wala, takot ako. Even
Yeah.
may, 'di ba? Kasi may dysmorphia ka na, ayaw mong may humawak sa katawan mo, ayaw mo may makakita nung
Correct.
like what's in between your legs because sobrang paranoid ka dun sa idea na baka hindi ka niya matanggap dahil nakita niya yun, 'di ba? So like there's a certain fear and distrust.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
Unfortunately.
true. Was I the
Oo.
first
That you can
doctor
be-
you talked about? Talked to?
No, hindi naman parang right, I mean
For
for
about that?
this well, I had many like the government nung time na nagtuturo na ako, but then kung person to person, yes, ikaw talaga. Kasi like anong tawag dito? Hindi sila ganitong hulma eh. Na
Totoo.
like parang you would there's may fear na talaga kahit
True.
papaano sa pag-access ng medical professionals because you know, the cost is the one that like really is the barrier kung ano-anong experience before. But kung may involvement pa yun ng identity mo, and imagine having to explain it
Yeah.
over and over again. So it was a fantastic and eye-opening, experience na pag nakausap mo si Doc Dino na hindi mo na kailangan mag-explain.
Oo nga, ang dali.
Diba?
Ang dali lang.
Ang dali lahat. Or like,
Totoo.
alam mong walang,
Kahit pagpasok mo sa klinika, hindi ka, kumbaga walang judgment.
yun na nga.
Yung tipong,
Mm.
hindi, syempre, like ako, lalo na ako, syempre, yung genitalia ko, and I still have to go to the OB, diba?
Yes.
Kasi I have to have that check. So, isipin mo yung OB ko before, parang, hirap na hirap yung ibang, hindi ko alam paano ko explain sa kanila eh. Kasi parang ako, anong gagawin natin lahat? Diba? Parang, paano ko explain sa'yo? Eto ko. Pero wala akong choice, kailangan ko magpa-check eh.
Oh!
Ang hirap talaga.
And I think sometimes yung...
Grabe yung gano'n, no?
Oo! Oh my God! Like,
Diyos ko talagang,
diba?
parang ako, ano ba? Ano bang,
So parang wala pa siyang sinasabi. Na-feel mo na
Awkward na
parang
tayo
like,
na.
sobrang
Oo.
awkward na. Tapos meron bang isang doktor na syempre, parang, alam mo yung sa sobrang busy na niya, tapos parang ganun lang siya, ganyan. Tapos parang chinek niya yung ano ko, tapos parang, okay, nire-regla. Tapos ako parang, paano ko sasagutin niya? Like parang, babae po ako, pero hindi po ako nire-regla, Doc. Tapos tumingin siya, okay, wow,
Oo,
okay.
di ba?
And then,
Then nag-sync.
nag-sync in and then, pareho na kaming ninavigate both yung ano,
paano
parang,
eh.
na parang, okay, so itetest ba kita, sa nasa isip siguro niya, itetest ba kita as a woman kasi
Yun
kailangan kong i-check ka na. So, very,
Confused na siya.
diba? Parang, tapos naalala ko pa na, same doctor who asked na parang nire-regla, tapos sabi ko, okay, ganito po kasi yan, Doc. Okay, tapos nung tinignan niya ako, gusto mo bang magpa-check kasi may gani, so kailangan nating i-check yan, diba? So,
They did a pretty good job.
okay, yun na nga eh, okay lang ba?
Totoo.
Tapos ako parang like, you're the first one to tell me na pwede bang magpa-check ng dede? Kasi wala talaga. So, na-affirm patuloy yung gender
That's
ko.
good.
So, but again, it's hindi lang yung usual barriers ng Pinoy to access healthcare ang nangyayari para sa amin.
Yeah.
Mayroon pang social barriers.
Try
yung
mo pregnancy
stigma.
test. Yung pipilitin ka paano nga ako magpa-pregnancy test? Hindi nga yung tali ko. Paano tayo dyan? Pag-pregnancy, hindi nga. Mag-waiver ako. Ako magsasign ng waiver.
Tapos,
May ganun.
syempre, nasa meal pa yung ano ko kasi isusulat mo na
O,
meal
then si
doon,
F
di ba?
pa.
Tapos sa F pa, ako sa M pa. Tapos, may undescended testes, may mga ganun-ganun pang mga ganung... Tapos ako, parang, I don't even wanna think about that,
Hindi, ang
doctor.
pinakaganda sa akin. Iba mammogram daw ako. Paano? Saan banda? Sige,
Sa mga-
mammogram mo, alin, balat.
Sa mga
Hindi ko
x-ray,
alam
yung
kung
mga,
paano.
naalala ko yan sa mga x-rays, they don't usually, like, they just receive the form, right? And then they see male. So, pagdating na ng male, okay, sige, hubad na lang po kayo agad. Like, hubad ako? Buyang-yang na tayo! Dito na! Tapos parang marirealize, hala, may ang pagsusuot po kayo ng ganito, ganyan sa ko. Di ba sabi sa'yo hindi po ako maghuhubad, sir. Hindi magbubuyang-yangan tayo dito. So, kung alam mo yon ang bagal, unfortunately, nag-evolve ng medical practice. Pero, the mere fact that Doc Dino's here, and then some others are practicing in this way, it offers us a...
And I'll have to say, growing a practice like this, nung start rin, ano bang gagawin ko dito?
Pwede kang sitcom. Alam mo, feeling ko nakakatawa yung mga araw niyo dito.
I remember yung, like, I was just starting in gender affirming care, and then I had a trans woman patient na tawag doon, na was checking for STIs. And then, she was saying na may Gardnerella daw siya. Tapos parang ako, kaya ba yun ng neo Tapos, ang tagal niya na naghintay sa waiting area kasi tinawagan ko pa yung mentor ko.
How to
And
address.
baliktad yung time namin. So, siguro mga like 12 midnight ko siyang tinawagan. Pwede pa mag-Gardnerella Vaginalis ang trans woman. So, it's really, feel ko nga, it's not part of our training. So, you really have to go out of your way to figure out how to do it. So, ngayon nga, I'm super happy that there are, doctors that are more open to doing
Yes,
this.
definitely.
But you really have to like find your training. So like ngayon, at least dati mag-isa lang ako dito. Ngayon, ilan na kami? 4 na kami
That's
na nakakagawa ng gender affirming care. Kailangan natin mag-train ng more para mapadala natin ng Cebu.
Yes.
Yung mga ganun.
Ang dami.
So, yeah, that's at least I'm happy na ngayon it's like so much easier.
Yes.
And I'm super happy and grateful that you let me be part of yung journeys ninyo. Okay. I think so yun, that's like just wanna let you guys know that. Yeah.
And that's why we're glad to have, a clinic na naiintindihan yung concerns. Kasi iba talaga yung concerns ng community, di ba?
talaga,
Iba
oo.
talaga.
Iba talaga.
And us having like this podcast setup, talking about these things, meron ng media out there na makikita nila ng ibang doctors who might experience the same questions like you. And makikita na nila paano i-address yung mga ganito.
Yes, definitely.
And also, yung nararamdaman natin sa community,
Yeah.
pag hindi naiintindihan yung concern natin, di
But
ba?
we don't take it against them. Again,
Yes.
just putting it out there as well. Na parang, of course, you don't know what you don't know. So, and then you don't know what you don't know, and you want to be able to explain. Pero at the same time, we have to also regulate ourselves
Totoo.
Yeah.
because it's happening to us. So, if we also come out, paminsan, hindi man din
Too
mga-
strong.
too
You
strong
Aggressive.
or mainit kagad yung
Yeah.
ulo or whatnot. It's not something that we want to happen. It's just because, ikaw ba naman, misgender ka,
Yeah.
1. Tapos, tawagin ka ng maling pangalan mo, 2. Tapos, sabihin sa'yo, oh my God, hindi ko kaya sabihin ka Mother Tyson, ka. Tapos, gano'n na lang, na hindi ka man lang
Di ba?
gawa.
Walang, oo.
So it's really we're really grateful with what Hara is doing, what Doc Dean is doing.
Thanks.
Ang hirap,
Super
ang hirap.
thanks. I've seen a couple of other transgender podcasts. We avoid the topic about all the time, diba? And I wonder why that is. Kasi like, it's another layer of uncomfortability. Uncomfortable na nga sila sa like, when the gender aspect, tas it makes it doubly uncomfortable to talk about like intimacy and ganon.
Yeah.
So how do you navigate that as transgender individuals? How do you even broach the topic? Who do you talk to? Ganon.
I think, first is, I think we're kind of just a little bit sensitive with regards to the genitalia, just because the dysphoria is still there. I think that's part of why it's also something that we shy away from that conversation. But of course, like kami, trans men, we share things. Alam mo yan. So we share about, washes. We talk about, the growth. We talk about, you know what we're talking about, right? And all the other, nafe-feel mo ba to? Or, ganito, parang, I said it na kanina, pero I'll say it again. Parang, oh my God, the amount of hair that I have now. I'm like, nobody told me about that. Alam mo yun, parang, oh my God, hanggang, hoy! Ang dami talaga dyan. So, alam mo yun, so those conversations, syempre internally, like, intimate conversations with my trans brothers.
Mm-mm.
Of course we do. Diba? And then the conversations, uy, nangyayari ba to sa'yo pag ganito? Oo nga, nga. Tapos, in between, ganon. So, may ganong conversations na.
Yeah.
And then we share best practices as much as we can. Pero I think siguro because it's also something that we're trying to get to learn pa lang now. Lalo na like, for me, I'm just, at this stage of transitioning na body changes are like,
But
what's
still-
going on? I'm like, huh? And then you research, Claude, tell me about this. What's going on? Diba? Parang siya. And then you get all of the research and then you try to read. And then, ako usually, Dok, anong nangyayari? Ba't ganito, ganyan? Kasi ganito, normal yung ganyan. Tapos hanggang ending yung conversation, oo nga, ganito, ganyan. So, may ganon, di ba? So,
Nakakatuwa nga yung the feminine wash
Yes,
conversation.
yes.
Kasi we were just here eh.
Yeah.
We were just, random, it was one of your checkups and then
Yeah.
napadpad yung conversation
hanggang
niyo
sa
about,
wash.
that feminine washes don't work for
Not anymore.
trans men anymore. Para mahapdi siya and ganon. And then you talked about nga how the, particular brand ng masculine wash was pwede.
Pwede.
And that was, I was like, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah.
So, nung parang na black hole ulit ako that night, and then, nakahanap kami ng study specifically talking about that it has a different pH now.
Correct.
Dati
Acidity
kasi,
and
yun yung
everything
pinaka,
else.
that's the most important thing with feminine wash to maintain the pH. Eh ngayon, different
Wala
na yung
na.
pH mo. So, yun, like, I guess, learning pa rin
Again,
nga, because,
correct.
especially for trans men, it's such an underserved community. There's studies
So much.
about trans women and gay men, pero
There's not a lot
lesbians
for-
and trans
for
men,
men.
sobrang
Sobrang
always
limited.
konti. No?
So, yeah. So, parang, and I think it's not really something that we wanna shy away. Siguro we'll eventually do that, be a little bit more vocal, but as of now, we're still getting to know our body.
Yeah.
Kaya siguro it's something that we're still navigating to
Yeah.
a certain point. Kaya siguro it's not something that's easy to just talk about and whatnot. Alam mo yun. Pero,
It's what they call like multiple puberties. Parang when imagine how hard it was when you were undergoing puberty,
Correct.
'di ba? To explain. And we have to do this every single time kasi nga nag-change kami ng levels ng like for example hormones, and hindi naman kami bigla-bigla. And those changes come with different sets of experiences that are
Correct.
completely new to us. And if we didn't have any resources to explain
correct.
that even to ourselves,
Correct.
ang daming worry sa mind natin, ang daming effect na sa utak. And then I'll just like to add na when it comes to like talk,
Yeah.
inevitably kasi it goes back to the body.
Yeah.
Correct.
'Di ba? Which is something na hindi naman sa hindi namin siya ayaw namin pag-usapan, but it's more of like parang I have to like retell why this is not important to me, why this is important to me, why like for example still having a penis would be important to a trans woman who still wants to experience
Yeah.
some sort of sensation
Yeah.
during
Yeah.
sex, and why some trans women elect not to have bottom surgery.
Yeah.
So marami siyang
Dami.
usapin na
Yeah.
Agreed.
and hindi na usapan.
Exactly, hindi na nga. Sabihin mo sa amin ni Louie kasi wala kang
Actually, isa yun sa mga tanong ko sana kanina. Like,
So, wala namang
One way, two way.
Yeah, one way to, it's sure para may top and bottom to a certain point. So, top, ibig sabihin, hindi talaga like, ako, I'm one way. Like,
Okay,
sabihin,
okay,
no, no, none. So, it's not get. So, parang, iba-iba kasi yung experiences ng lahat. So, pag in-explain sa akin na, yun yung kapaid niya, syempre, hindi ko maintindihan kung ano yung pakiramdam.
Okay.
Hindi ko gets. So, parang, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good for you. Alam mo yan? Parang, pero ako, kaya kong i-share na hanggang saan gano'ng kalaki yung kaya kong ipasok. Ayan, pwede natin pag-usapan yan. Kasi mamili ka ng kulay, ng size, kasi kompleto ako niyan. Yan, pwede natin pag-usapan yan. Pero,
ang galing.
di ba?
Kala mo ba yung mga yun? Ikaw yung pupunta?
What do you mean?
Ano?
Bibit
Sabi-
tigaw?
Concealed carrier, ito baril.
Well, pa siya choice.
Sandali lang dadalhin ko lang. Lalagyan ko lang sa backpack ko. Sandali
Hindi
lang.
ito kalaki.
This is why this
Parang-
is important.
Yeah.
Yung,
Pag-usapan.
ganito dito.
Yeah,
Star Wars
ano,
pala to, be.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi ko matanong
Hindi ko
sa
naisip
na imagine, like, pero that's
It's
Yeah.
different
ganun
talaga.
din pala
So,
sila.
iba-iba din talaga. Tsaka may iba na that uses toys, which means, we
Strap-on.
use strap-ons and
Yeah.
whatnot. Meron din na hindi talaga. They're not comfortable to use that, diba? They just want to use their hands or something else, diba? So, or their mouth, diba?
May question
Oh,
ako.
sige.
Kasi, show ko. Kasi,
Go
for
lang.
trans women,
Oh.
ang effect nun sa, like, for example, immediately, when, like, the hormone therapy kicks in, I mean, bagsak talaga.
Yes,
So, like, sa inyo, through the roof.
I may funny story ako
Yeah.
dyan.
Oh, baliktad!
Men
Tingnan
really
nyo,
have it
kahit kami na
way
ngayon lang
better.
namin nalaman itong mga to.
Kasi,
Malala
no,
talaga.
kasi sa amin.
Yun yung conversation namin ni Lagian.
Oo.
Nung kuya,
Bakit
ikaw.
Sobrang ergogability kayo.
Ergogability.
yeah.
Oo, parang, ay, ano nangyayari? Parang tanghaling tapat. nangyayari sa akin. Ay,
Hindi kasi,
itatakbo ko na lang to.
tas kami, nakaganito. Kumbento na lang ba ako dyan? Wala na akong maramdaman.
Parang grabe talaga.
Pero yun yung, kaya
Which
pa
is
tinatanong.
important. Yeah,
Oo,
very,
kaya
very
tinatanong.
important.
Kasi,
Yeah.
you may have different expectations during transitioning
Yeah,
that may shock you.
yeah.
Because, you
Kasi
may
they don't talk about
you don't
the
know
About sex.
exactly. So, and when this happens, more than the changes that happen in your body, you have to contend with that, diba? That kind of change. I mean, dun ko nga, naalala ko nga, I mean, when I was studying, what are the immediate effects of hormone replacement therapy for trans women? Ang una talaga dun is like, did you know that the first use of hormone replacement therapy for men, para ganito, was chemical castration. To punish yung homosexual men. Kasi daw, super ergogability ng mga homosexual men. Inapat
Iba talaga
Word of the day, ergogability.
ergogability.
I will neither confirm nor
Di ba? Imagine,
You should confirm.
force sila to drink, to
Estrogen.
take estrogen
Ah.
para hindi na sila
Go.
maka-go kasi nga ang ano nila is like sinful ang ergogability ng mga
Ergogability.
homosexual men.
Yeah.
So, you
So, sabi niya, bigay sa amin na talaga.
So,
Medyo to the
like,
roof siya.
so kung hindi mo siya na-expect, para sa trans women, it comes as like some sort of a,
Yes.
Ito na ako, magtatanong ako. When you guys were going through, ako naman
Sige
show
lang. Go.
So
Go.
when you were going through adolescence also, did you feel the going up as well? Like, can you imagine nung
Yeah.
puberty mo? So that's,
Definitely, no? I think that's pretty normal.
so yun yung nararamdaman namin.
Yes, actually, ito
yun
yung
siya.
when I have like new trans men patients, I had to learn how to front load this information kasi nagugulat sila when they come in for their second consultation, tas may gusto silang tanungin, ay kunyari kasama nila yung parent or your partner, I
Hindi mo
have to
ma-share.
Ang
tell them,
hirap.
ay, sige, like, tayo muna, just one-on-one.
Okay.
And then, sinasabi nila, like, nung before transitioning, mga 1 or 2 times a week lang daw, yung, ano ba mga words pa na gamitin?
Okay na.
Yung,
Ano yung pecs?
dut-duta.
don't do that!
Ano ba?
Okay.
So mga like 1 or 2 weeks lang daw.
Oh.
Once or twice a week lang daw nila ginagawa. And suddenly, when they're on testosterone, every day na.
OA daw.
And then I'll tell
So,
them,
everyday ka?
welcome to being a teenage boy. Parang gano'n.
Yes.
Ganun
So,
siya.
I had male puberty and I experienced that, di ba?
Siyempre, hindi naman matanong sa tatay, Dad, ito ba yung
so,
nadaanan mo?
correct,
Alam mo,
totoo
hindi
naman.
so, na-explain din eh.
And then, yun yung sinasabi ko sila. Sinasabi ko na if the trans women have to deal with their
Emotions.
with their mood
Emotions.
swings,
With the-
you have to deal with the increased libido.
Correct.
That comes with
Exactly.
being a boy.
So, medyo OA siya talaga. Pero,
Okay,
I didn't
siya
know that,
relatively.
and then,
Pero
like-
baseline namin yan. Pero yeah. So definitely something. And then yun nga, trans women have always, yun yung paalis na sila ng consultation. And then, Doc, may last akong tatanungin sa'yo. Wala na akong libido, hindi na ako nalilibido. How do I fix that?
yeah.
And then a lot of mga ibang sagot dyan ng mga ibang doctors na sinasabi sa kanila is mag-Viagra ka, mag-sildenafil ka. And that is, there are some trans women kasi who are partnered with like cisgendered men and then the erectile ability is important.
Yeah.
So, may place yon. Pero with like trans women who really don't want to have anything to do with their penis, no? There's no place for Viagra and
Of course.
sildenafil. So, ano gagawin mo?
Correct.
Like, how do you fix the libido? Dati, ang advice sa akin, magbigay ka ba ng onting testosterone? My trans patients would have like, slapped me. Like, no, testosterone, not at all. So, ang ngayon na nagagamit ko, which is also, something being practiced online. So, Standards of Care version 8,
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if the Standards of Care version 9 ng Transgender Health will include using progesterone as
okay.
a libido enhancer for
Yeah.
trans women. So yan nabibigay ko yun, and like it solves the problem very very
That's good.
well.
That's good kasi dati kami tsa-tsa lang. Horny goat extract. Inom ka sis.
Tsabot
Oh,
na
sa-
lang tulog.
Tsa-tsa ka muna sis. Ganun na kami. Buti naman may ganyan na ron. Okay.
Sa mga nanonood, at least may idea na kayo kung ano yung mga haharapin nyo in case,
True.
di ba?
Okay, ma-surprise. Mm-mm.
Lalo
That's-
after na shots.
Mm.
Di ba after
Yeah,
ng
oo. Yeah,
shots?
mataas kasi talaga.
Grabe talaga. After nun, parang, okay, what's going on?
Okay,
So,
cool.
jogging na lang tayo.
Maligo ka.
Okay. Have you, siguro what we want to be able to ask is, have you ever experienced where somebody might have like fetishized you, or somebody does somebody see you as their fantasy, as mga ibang apps?
And how do you feel about it?
Nike.
Hindi to girl
Mm.
gay to, basically. Gay guy.
Yun nga, fetishization. O kasi social
hey, guys.
media now has...
Hubad kasi na hubad sa social media. Ayoko na maghubad. Pero alam mo, I mean, isa may part of being a trans person, we're really proud of our top surgery, our chest, in terms of how, I've lost a lot of weight. Thank you, Doc Dina, for my peptides. Pero gets mo, parang, isa may very proud of what I've accomplished. This is not, again, the standards of being a trans man. This is my goal to look good because I'm already old. And, and I just really, it's been a while kasi talaga na I'm fit, since college pa kasi athlete. So, looking good now, parang I'm very proud of where I'm at. So, I marami. There's a lot of messages na I get both in basta social media.
I have a quick
Gay men.
follow-up question.
Oh.
Siyempre, while transitioning or before transitioning, meron kasi mga lalaki that they want to like, may fetish sila like to change you or to like to top a lesbo, something like that.
Oh my God.
Marami.
Has this been,
Marami.
have you encountered this? How did you?
There were already a few, I mean, parang feeling ko tingin pa rin nila sa, it wasn't male wanting me to convert back to being female. It's really gay men.
Medyo mommy kasi ako ng mga younger na trans women eh. So, ang dami nilang nasi-share. Especially when they approach, so they're newly transitioned, and then nandiyan na yung passing privilege na like na-experience na nila yung parang hinahabol sila kasi may ang ganda na, no? Naging Diyosa hindi na frog. So, when this happens, I always caution them. No, na not all of the men that they're about to encounter will have the best intentions.
Correct.
No, marami sa kanila na will just be there because they have a fetishistic approach sa dating and sex.
Correct.
And some get slap again, the reality slap of like, hindi, gusto lang kitang makasex dahil I want you because of this incredible form that you have.
Correct.
As if na parang, ano ako, alien?
Actually,
Parang,
that's my question for you, follow-up siguro. Kailan nyo na-feel that this is a compliment or when is it offensive?
Cross the line. Actually, so there usually starts as a compliment.
It
Diba?
does.
And then yun talaga yung parang, and when it crosses the line, when they just can't stop. Like, diba?
When they can't respect
When you can
a no.
respect a boundary,
Yeah.
a simple, when it's a compliment, a simple thank you and an acknowledgement of what you just said would be
Okay na
enough.
yun. Tama na yun. I agree.
Something else is afoot. If biglang
May
may
dagdag
follow-up
pa.
question, may kung ano-ano nang sinusundang
Totoo.
mga ano, and then like, it becomes more personal. And then, kung ano-ano na
Tapos may
nagiging...
disappearing message na nga.
Oh, or like, may...
Nasa disappearing message na kami. Ay,
Or,
block ka.
like, or nanghingi na ng telegram. Ay! Like,
Ayan na.
Ayan na. Papunta na sa iba. Pero ang, yun nga, it bears repeating na
Yeah.
kailangan talaga, lalo na sa younger ones,
True.
to be highly aware of what people's intentions are.
True.
Because it's not always good.
Yeah.
And alam mo naman, na parang ako, I really believe this is a common trans experience. Na
True.
since hindi nga kami laging na-acknowledge and we somehow there's a craving for that acknowledgement, no? Na parang, and then we need validation
True,
to
true.
ensure na parang like, okay, tama tong pinagagawa ko, I'm in the right
Okay
path.
naman ako.
I'm in the right path of my journey, ganyan. Unfortunately, part of that
True.
validation is very sexual.
Very.
Yeah.
Diba? So, kung ikaw, wala kang awareness dun sa potential na yung intention sa'yo ng kausap mo ay hindi yung
Totoo.
totoong, yung hinahanap mong intimacy, relationship, ganyan-ganyan, mababaw lang pala yun sa kanya. Talagang gamitan lang. No? Kung hindi ka aware, kawawa. Kasi it causes a lot of trauma, it
True.
causes a lot of unprocessed feelings, and yun yung weird eh. Andun ka na sa part na parang, ang saya ko na-achieve ko na kahit pa paano yung
Tapos
parang
biglang-
liberation. Tapos biglang bababaan na naman ako na ganito dahil like, napafeel na naman sa akin na hindi ako worth
Correct.
anything. No? So, I always tell the younger ones na, I'll talk to the camera. Keep your self-worth.
Correct.
As in really, really find it. Because that's your only weapon against people who are fetishizing you. Because a
True.
fetish is certainly just there for their own pleasure.
Correct.
Please love yourself enough so that you can protect yourself from these people.
I have a follow-up question.
Snaps
Since
for all the
banggit mo
things.
yung TG, disappearing messages and all, like, in the internet world now where people ask for your intimate photos and
Oh my
stuff,
God.
how do you deal with this? Is it okay? What is okay? What is not?
If you really look at my page, so syempre nadami kong hubad dun. To be honest.
Meron ba?
Ay.
Ay! Paki-flash.
Pero it's not because I want people to, fantasize, fetishize, whatever. It's because, I'm proud of what
Correct.
I've done for myself. Pero, ano ba, how do I say this? Pero, how do we stop also, hindi ko ma-explain eh, parang, can it be more than that in terms of what is Bam really doing in our space? Kasi di ba parang, the podcast that we currently have for the trans community, sharing resources and everything else. And then plus, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, who am I as a person, di ba? Aside from the facade, di ba? So parang, ang hirap i-explain na,
I think kasi ako,
sige,
I feel like where you're coming from is, like, the intention kasi where we are is not based on the patriarchal gaze. Na
Correct.
sanay na sanay yung mga binary individuals. No? So,
Correct.
if you identify kasi as, like, cisgender male or female, for the most part,
Correct.
the reason for desire, even being a fetish object, or yung desire mo to fetishize somebody else,
correct.
is because of a very patriarchal
Correct.
mode, no? Kasi nasa tingin mo lagi na parang, no, it has to serve the male gaze, it has to serve, ganyan. Sa amin, ni Bam, nag-transcend na kami. I mean, part of what transitions is that, no? Yung expectation ng parang, no, you cannot adore me because of, I don't serve this for your own gaze.
Correct.
This is for me.
Me.
Diba? So, that's why it's always weird when we say or tell these people na parang we resist your compliment. Diba?
It's not,
Because it's not that we're rejecting and not acknowledging na...
and we're not we're not thankful.
Thankful,
We
oo.
are. It's just that, how can we go beyond that?
Oo, nag-transcend na kami
how
dun
do we
sa...
go beyond?
yung parang paglabas ng mga katawan namin. However we want to present ourselves, hindi na to dahil gusto lang namin ng approval ng
Ng iba.
lalaki, especially, or like ng ibang tao. Diba?
I think
Kasi,
No, no.
like, ano siya eh, ganun pa rin yung expectations sa mga cisgender and other people no, na doon na sanay tingnan yung katawan.
Katawan.
Oo. So when that ends, like, and kami yung nagsasabi nun eh, 'di ba? Nakakalito for them. But for us it's very clear.
Tapos, yun nga, tapos sasabihin na, sensitive namin na parang, ay, sasabihin nga namin, ang gano'n ang katawan mo, ang gwapo mo, ganyan, tapos ayaw mo tanggapin. Nagigets ko naman. Pero ang point lang is, hindi, parang I really wanna be able to go beyond that na, when we appreciate people may it be physical or may it whatever, it just transcends to something else. Parang, you know, why, kahit nakubad ka, Dok, pero kilala si Doc because kilala si Doc dahil magaling siyang doktor. You get what I mean? Aside from takubad, di ba? Nagigets yung sinasabi, di ba? Parang, yung nagigets yun.
I think Bam is also trying to say na when he gets naked and shows what he is now, parang it's because you're proud na
Yes.
ito na ako ngayon. This is me. Hindi ito para pag nasaan or ka-ervoga ng mga
And I
tao.
don't want people also to see that that should be the look or how a trans person should be. Like a trans man. Passing. That's my goal eh. This is me. My goal, my personal journey is I want to look like my dad. Ne, joke lang. Ne, pero point ko is I wanna be able to look like a cis male. That's what I want,
Yeah.
diba? I want my beard.
Yeah.
I want my, you know, iba-iba kasi talaga tayo ng journey. It's just that siguro, yun nga, coming from somebody old, it's just something na, and plus married, tapos, you know, parang ako, ang mahal ng ginastos ko. Charot! Ang lahat ng ginastos ko, ganyan.
Exactly.
Yun yung gusto ko lang, ang mahal lahat nito, parang gano'n. Pero, other than that, okay.
It also comes with age, I
It
guess. Na pag ganun nasa edad ka na
Yeah.
to have experienced a lot of things.
Yeah.
Na like you stop thinking of like whatever you put out as
Yeah.
more of like parang a billboard for the others, a signal. It's more of like this is how happy I am
Yeah.
with what I
Very
look like
nice.
right now, and like ganito ko siya i-present, no? But of course, wala naman sa edad ang maturity.
To its own naman.
Marami din ganung klaseng taong ganun
Yeah.
pa rin ang nasa isip.
Kanya-kanya to.
But I just want that whoever's watching, especially
Yeah.
the youth, na there are other ways to think of your own body.
Yeah.
Or other people's bodies,
Yeah.
'di ba? Na parang with respect
Yeah.
and with adoration that doesn't go beyond na nagiging fetishistic na siya.
We've seen things also like in our end na parang you can't question eh. Like if you see trans for trans, you see
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Asin mo nakita mo lahat ng types.
Mm.
Parang ako, okay. Parang wala kang, hindi ka pa pwedeng hindi naman
Mag-rigid,
ganyan,
no?
Yeah.
Hindi naman pwede yung ganyan. Dapat ganito lang siya. Ganyan.
Oh.
Wala, bawal kaming gawin. Okay, supportahan ta ka.
Correct.
Go.
So
Laban.
it's hard, but I feel like it's getting better because people are more open online and sharing their experiences.
Experiences.
Kasi
Marami
dati, I mean, dati I hardly talk about my own dating
Yeah.
life
Yeah.
kasi like I feel like parang well, it's obviously super personal, and the guys that I date are even sure like why they're attracted to me. And then like parang trans woman talagang totoo ba to or ganyan.
Yeah.
And it breeds a lot of like this distrust,
Yeah.
'di ba?
You would think, no, like the people out there would think like trans people are so open. You guys aren't.
No.
You're so parang siya, sobrang precious secret
Super.
na I don't want to talk about it to anyone.
Correct.
anyone. Do cisgendered people, what is our correct way to respond to this? Kasi like how, di ba, they say a lot of things like preferences and ganon.
Yeah.
So, like, as a cisgendered person who wants to be an ally, how do you react to, like, a
Nakikinig ako.
trans person?
Try nyo kasi muna. Try nyo muna. Bago kayo mag-note.
Ito yung story ko.
O kagad.
May-
May makanta. Try nyo
No,
muna.
before kasi
Diba?
in the G app,
Ah.
may nag-approach sa akin na trans
Ah,
woman,
nice.
and she wanted to top me.
Yeah.
At yung sagot ko sa kanya was like, mas princess pa ikaw sa akin, hindi pwedeng dalawang princess tayo sa bed. So, yung idea sa akin was like, I don't know, like, I guess because I'm not attracted to femininity, pero pinag-isipan ko talaga yun kasi I'm like, am I being a hypocrite as a gender-affirming care doctor tas i-deny ko tong person na to? Should I have tried it? Ganon. So like, how do you, as a cis person, I want to be able to, like, what's the correct answer?
Ako, try po.
Ako, has to be more open discussions on attractions in the first place.
Correct.
Kasi the reason why you can't like just suddenly force somebody and say na
Correct.
parang like ito i-engage kita kasi ganito ganyan kasi the attraction's simply not there.
Correct.
Diba? Now, we must unfortunately may thin line yung preference. Yung pagsasabi na hindi preference ko lang to. The outright discrimination.
Correct.
Kasi sometimes they interchange those things. But here's the best way like a cis person could probably approach it.
Gusto ko to.
Like, 'di ba? Parang sabihin niya mo aminin niya sa sarili niya at identify niya sa sarili niya yung attraction. And then clearly express this to the other person. Because it becomes a lot clearer na hindi lang dahil attracted ako sa kung ano-anong body parts mo or the experience that I could get out of you. But it's more of like I'm in this space. Nandito ako sa space na to in terms of like attraction, emotional, romantic attraction.
Correct.
If I go and pursue this and if I'm just saying like responding to my attraction, please do not expect na ang susunod nito ay emotional attraction or romantic attraction.
Correct.
No? So let's understand that these are three different things.
Yeah.
And it could exist in many different in different combinations in one person. I might be sexually attracted to you, but I am not romantically or emotionally attracted to you. So, whatever happens right now will probably be strictly sexual. Or, the complete opposite might happen. Romantic lang ang attraction ko sa'yo, or emotional attraction ko sa'yo, but I can't do anything sa diba? And then, but it's a lot of setting of expectations. But then, I hope we can all be more open to talk about
conversations,
our
correct.
attractions. Hindi, and then not limit it to like preferences and discriminatory
Pero being
practices.
also self-aware, ha? Kasi we also have to be very careful na parang yun nga, katulad mo, hindi pwede dalawang princess, which is actually nice kasi parang you're explaining your
Attraction in a way.
where it's also not offensive, I think.
Oo, or like sensitive to like,
Microaggression.
correct, or pina-joke mo na lang na parang,
ganun. Kasi pero, yun nga, again, it's another taboo.
Pero yun din, inisip ko rin ngayon even just saying that, like di pwedeng dalawang princess sa kama. Pwede! If pwede yung dalawa.
True.
But I guess,
Let's talk about lesbians. Shout out. wow.
I guess what I wanted to say is, ako dapat yung pinaka-princess.
yeah, so, di ba, di back off na dapat. Kasi di ba, parang, okay, sorry, we are not compatible.
So, like, ewan ko, it's always something na, ewan ko kultura na talaga natin siya na it's not something that we really talk.
Is it like, ano kaya? Is it
It's
universal?
not you, it's me.
No, it's
It's traditional, like, takes on, like, feminine, masculine.
Exactly.
Bottom.
Yeah. Yung
like,
pa
for
rin siya
example,
eh.
the more masculine person has to be the top, and the more feminine person has to be the bottom. Yun yung parang classic. And we all know it's not the case. A lot of really masculine guys love to be dominated.
Correct.
And bottom. So parang, hindi talaga siya, it does not follow.
Correct.
And I always tell my younger friends na parang, guys, a lot of these things that you read about, watch, gets destroyed when you're
Correct.
actually doing it, no? And then you find yourself having to choose and then like have baselines. Wait lang, gagawin ko ba to? Hindi naman talaga ako ganito
Oo nga.
Or like hindi ko talaga siya gusto. Will I resist this? Or like I will just do this for the sake of just
Doing
trying
it.
and doing it, diba? And then like decide later on na like, okay, hindi talaga to. Pwede naman yun. Sabi nga ni, baka hindi mo lang nasubukan, diba? But to me, getting to know yourself in terms of like the roles
True.
that you're, or what you really want is a huge part of
Who you are.
and then
Correct.
doing,
I agree.
going through dating and
Same.
like sex
Agree.
life.
Alam mo, just to add to that too, I think also, for the longest time kasi in the community, yung media that the gays and everybody else in the community is consuming
Consume,
is actually puro ano lang,
Puro ganun
hetero,
lang, yeah.
like male and
eh.
ano. Kaya yung fantasy natin actually, karamihan
Como
for the
OA.
generation, more on male and female.
Right. And then yun lang yung
Ano?
role. Submissive yung babae dapat. So kung
True.
submissive, babae ako. Parang, ha? Like,
Pero ngayon, actually, somehow, I'm seeing na okay na tayo sa slowly,
There's
nakakita
definitely
na
a
ako
shift.
na
There is.
More
femme,
progressive.
okay na
The
the femme
femme bar
tops,
tops,
all, because we're seeing more variety. And that's how important variety is in
Mahirap
terms
na
of representation.
mag-assume. So ngayon, like, very careful ako pag nandito. I will always ask, are you top or bottom? And then like, sometimes I get patients who's like, hindi ba obvious? And I'm like, Not anymore.
Yeah, that's how you
yes.
resist
Yeah,
that language actually.
correct.
no? So when they say na parang like, isn't it obvious? But dear, often it is not because I don't want to assume.
Yeah.
Because if I went down assuming, then you're in a completely different space.
True,
Hindi ito
true,
yung
true.
hara na experience na gusto kong ibig. Kasi like if we all, used assumption as a jump off point, lagi ko ang sinasabi, for my classes I always tell them na, when people are proud to say that they have a gaydar,
Yeah.
you have to be very, medyo, like, beware.
Mm.
Kasi, imagine, when you say you have a gaydar, they're only acting on things that they can see externally.
Yeah.
Correct.
And then, it's actually a judgment call.
Correct.
Ano siya, no? Judgment siya, depende kung paano niya naisip yung taong yun at kung anong tingin niya ang kabaklaan or katabuan. 'Di ba? Malakas ang gaydar
Mga sir
ko.
ako, send proof, ganyan.
'Di ba? Malakas ang gaydar ko is not the flex that it used to
Totoo.
be. No? Because to be honest, you can, again, sabi
Wala
ni Doc
na.
Lino, wala na yan. It's
Hindi mo
not
na alam.
obvious anymore.
True.
And to say that you have a gaydar is to be proud of you being judgmental.
True.
So I hope that this generation is the one who changes that, no? Don't be proud of like trying to clock somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you know that this person is like acts feminine, bakla, acts masculine, tomboy. Diba? So I hope this is the generation that ends that.
Okay, wow, what a great conversation. But we'll talk more about transgender health and more on sex on our next episode. Still with Thighs and Bam. Watch out for part 2. Like, share, and subscribe. This is the D-Spot exclusively on A Studios. This is Doc Dino.
I'm Louie.
This is the D-Spot. We hope we hit the right spot.
See you on the next one.
A Studios. Stories curated for you. Like, share, and subscribe.